Today we are going to make Masuri Ambat. Wash whole masoor in water few times. Roughly chop an onion. Add a pinch of turmeric and half the quantity of onion to masoor. Now add some boiling water. Cover and cook till the masoor is cooked. It usually takes about 4 to 5 whistles. Heat a little bit oil. I normally use coconut oil, and fry some coriander seeds and red chilies. Now grind them with little bit of tamarind and coconut. If your coconut is cold or frozen, add hot water while grinding. If you grind cold coconut with cold water, the oil will separate. Once the masoor is cooked, add the ground masala to the masoor. Add enough water to bring it to a gravy consistency. In the same pan, heat a little bit oil and fry rest of the onions till they are brownish. Add these onions to the gravy. That's it. You have the masoor ambat ready. Enjoy it with some hot rice.